Wall Street's main indexes closed mostly lower on Monday, with the exception of the Dow, which gained just under 0.33%. The S&P 500 shed more than 0.33%, while the Nasdaq dropped over 1.3%. Shares of Elon Musk's SpaceX weighed heavily on the Nasdaq, plummeting more than 16% for their biggest single-day decline. The rocket and AI company launched its first-ever debt offering on Monday and said it had roughly $100 billion in cash and cash equivalents as of last Friday. SpaceX's stock is still trading above its IPO price of $135. Optimism over AI has supported Wall Street's recent rally, but Melissa Brown, managing director of investment decision research at SimCorp, said the rally could be nearing its peak.
Momentum, tends to beget more momentum. So stocks do well, they continue to do well until something happens and they stop doing well. And then typically the market peaks at that point. I do think, though, that this kind of blowout, this huge surge of trading volume does suggest that the peak is closer than farther away.
Among other tech names, shares of Alphabet fell 5%, following news that Google DeepMind's senior research scientist and Nobel laureate John Jumper said he was leaving for AI startup Anthropic, the lab's latest high-profile exit. Shares of Meta, Amazon, and Microsoft also closed lower on Monday. The next test for the tech rally will be Micron Technology's quarterly results on Wednesday. Shares of the memory chip maker are up nearly 300% this year. Among other movers, shares of Apogee Therapeutics soared nearly 47% after AbbVie said it would acquire the biotech company for $10.9 billion in cash. Shares of AbbVie rose more than 6%. Meanwhile, oil prices fell as peace talks between Washington and Tehran continued in Switzerland, though tensions persisted over Lebanon and the Strait of Hormuz.